Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can send large video files on Discord without Nitros. So there are various methods to send large file on Discord without Nitro. So I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest method on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open up your web browser and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.imgur.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. And as you click on the link, you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and on this interface you need to click on new post in the top left corner of your screen, and after that in the right hand side panel you can see and there is an option that choose photo/video. So first thing what you need to do is click on it, and after you click on it, next you need to do is open up your file manager, and after that drag and drop the file that you want to send, and you can click on add image in order to add next folder or in order to add more pictures or videos on your Discord. After you're done, click on grab link, and once you do that you can see there's a link and you need to copy it, and as you copy the link it will be saved on your clipboard. So once you're done with the process, the next thing you need to do is log in into your Discord account, and after that paste the link where you want to send. If the video is 60 seconds long, then you can compress the file, and after that paste in the link and select the media where you want to send, and after that you've successfully transferred your large videos on Discord. So that is how you can send large videos from Discord without Nitro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.